Um, so yeah, this is a brief introduction slash demo to a custom GPT I've created on OpenAI Chat GPT platform. They now allow you to create your own custom ones. I've created one called the Drupal Droid. I thought it'd be beneficial for a Drupal community to use. It's tailored to help with building Drupal websites, with writing code for Drupal websites, and general configurations. So if I switch over to it, it's free to use with the caveat that you need an OpenAI account. I'm not sure if you need a paid account or a free account, but you do need an account to use it. And as I said, it's configured already to be specific for answering questions about Drupal development and Drupal site building. So when you come to the Drupal Droid, if you're used to the ChatGPT interface, looks just like it. And what you can do is give it a prompt related to your Drupal site or Drupal issue that you're having or a Drupal question, and it will, in a conversational way, help guide you to a solution. So as an example, let's say you're working on a Drupal website and you're using Solar as your search backend, and you want to change the search terms to allow two-word keyword terms for searching instead of the default of three. You can just ask that. You can say, I am using Solar as my search backend. How can I configure it to allow two-letter search terms? And since it already knows that you're looking for a Drupal website, you don't even have to say that. So it's going to first ask for some guidance to confirm what solution you want to look for. So here it said in its initial response, you're looking for guidance to modify Solar. Do you want to do this directly or use it through the Drupal admin? So I can go ahead and say, I want to make this change using the Drupal admin. And so what I can do now is it will give me some details on how to do that. As you might be able to see here, it's giving me a step-by-step instructions on how to go through my search settings in Drupal to make these changes. So that can save me some time as a developer to knowing how to do things, or a site builder if you're not as sure how to make changes in your Drupal environment. Another thing it's good for is helping with writing code in Drupal. So let's say I have a custom library of JavaScript that I want to attach to a specific page. Let's say the about page of my Drupal website. I can say, what hook function can I use to attach a custom library to my about us page? And hopefully what this will do is then go ahead and start telling me information about some hooks I can use. Here's an example. It says you can use the hook page attachment function, and it gives me an outline of steps to follow with some example code, which is always helpful. General caveat, if you're using code from a generative AI tool, is to vet it first and not send it out into the wild directly. Another thing you can do also is use it for suggestions of your Drupal work. So let's say we wanted to embed Instagram posts on our Drupal website. I could ask it, what module can I use to embed Instagram posts on a node? And here, what it should do is be able to give me some suggestions on modules that I can use. And here it looks like it's finding me a module name called Instagram Social Feed. And it's telling me how to install it and what to do for it. And then it's probably going to give me some steps on what to do next for installing, configuring the module. Very helpful. Saves me some Googling time, some Stack Overflow time, and helps me as a developer process things faster. Hopefully it would work for you as well. And so that's a quick demo of the Drupal Droid. Hopefully it'll be available in the OpenAI GPT store when that goes live in the next few weeks. But until then, you should be able to find it using the link in the description.